Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to find the value of x in this problem. Look the problem first. 9 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3 minus 3 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3 minus 210, which is equal to 0. So this is a logarithmic function and exponential function also. So how to find the value of x in this exponential and logarithmic function? Okay, this is a mixture of logarithmic and exponential function. Therefore the solution part, solution let's say let z, which is equals to 3 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3. Okay, z be 3 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3. Therefore this becomes z square minus this value z minus 210, which is equals to 0. As you know, this is a quadratic function. So we are going to find two numbers whose summation become negative 1 and whose product become negative 210. So those numbers are negative 15 and 14. Therefore z square minus 15z plus 14z this is that minus 210, which is equals to 0. Take a common z into z minus 15 plus 14 into z minus 15, which is equals to 0. So let us take the common value. Z minus 15 is common. So z minus 15 into z plus 14, which is equals to 0. This means z, which is equals to 15, or z, which is equals to negative 14. So now we are going to take the positive value, that is z, which is equals to 15. Therefore 3 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to 15. This is the value of that. So three is the power of 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to 50. Take logarithm both sides. Log 3 the power of 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to log 15. Then this means 1 plus log x in base 3 times log 3, which is equals to log 15. Now divide both sides by log 3. Divide by log 3, and here divide by log 3. Then this cancel by this. 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to log 15 or 15 over log 3. Okay. Therefore, this means This means which becomes log 15 in base 3. Okay, this value and this value have the same result. This is the logarithmic rule. Therefore 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to log 15 means 3 times 5 in base 3. So, by product rule, 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to log 3 in base 3 plus log 5 in base 3. Okay, log 3 times 5 in base 3 means log 3 in base 3 plus log 5 in base 3. But log 3 in base 3 means simply 1. Therefore 1 plus log x in base 3, which is equals to 1 plus log 5 in base 3. This one cancelled by this. Or you can simply transform this value into this. That means 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Therefore, log x in base 3, which is equals to log 5 in base 3. Here, as you see, the base is the same, 3, 3. And x must equal with 5. So the value of x becomes 5. Or x, which is equals to 3 the power of log 5 in base 3. Okay, this means we can simply transform the logarithmic function into exponential function. That means x, which is equals to 3 the power of log 5 in base 3. And this means x, which is equals to 5. Clear? Therefore, the value of x becomes 5. Thank you very much.